Hey everyone, welcome back to KGB English. Today, we're talking about something exciting, dating in English. If you've ever wanted to approach someone, ask them out, or have a great first date conversation, this video is for you. Let's dive into the most useful English phrases for dating and romance. When approaching someone for the first time, it's important to strike the right balance between confidence and politeness. If you prefer a formal approach, you might start with something warm yet respectful, such as, "Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice you. You seem really interesting." This line works well because it expresses genuine curiosity without being intrusive. Another simple but effective opener is, "Hi, I just wanted to say that you have a great smile." Compliments, when sincere, can instantly put the other person at ease and set a positive tone for the conversation. On the other hand, if you're in a more casual setting, a relaxed approach can make the interaction feel effortless and natural. Saying something like, "Hey, you seem fun, mind if I join you?" invites engagement without pressure. Alternatively, a shared interest can be a great icebreaker, such as, "I think we have the same taste in drinks. What's your favorite?" This not only sparks conversation, but also gives you an immediate topic to bond over. However, certain phrases should be avoided because they can feel awkward or off-putting. Asking, "Are you single?" right away can come across as too direct or even intrusive, making the other person uncomfortable. Similarly, a generic comment like, "You look good today," might seem insincere or superficial, as it lacks personal touch and effort. Instead, focus on making a meaningful connection by expressing genuine curiosity and finding common ground, which makes conversations flow naturally and leaves a lasting impression. Asking someone out can feel nerve-wracking, but the key is to keep it simple, natural, and confident. You don't need an elaborate plan or a perfectly rehearsed line, just an invitation that feels friendly and genuine. If you're aiming for a casual approach, you can go with something light and straightforward, like, "Hey, would you like to grab a coffee sometime?" This works well because it's low pressure and gives the other person an easy opportunity to say yes without feeling overwhelmed. Another great option is, "I'd love to get to know you better. How about a walk in the park?" This makes the invitation feel more personal and thoughtful, while also keeping things relaxed. If you want to be a bit more confident and playful, you can make your invitation more engaging and fun. For instance, "I know a great restaurant, and I think you'd love it. Want to check it out with me?" This makes it sound like an experience rather than just a date, which can be more appealing. Another creative approach is using humor, like, "I bet I can make you laugh. Let's put it to the test over dinner?" This playful challenge adds a fun twist and shows personality, making it more memorable. No matter which style you choose, the most important thing is to be yourself and make the other person feel comfortable. Avoid overcomplicating things or putting too much pressure on the situation. Sometimes the simplest invitations are the most effective. Confidence, warmth, and a little charm can go a long way in making someone excited to say yes. When it comes to first date conversations, keeping the discussion engaging, lighthearted, and natural is key. Awkward silences can make things uncomfortable, so having a few great questions ready can help keep the flow going smoothly. A good way to start is with fun and lighthearted topics, such as, "What's the best trip you've ever been on?" or, "If you could have dinner with any celebrity, who would it be?" These types of questions are great because they open the door to interesting stories, Allow your date to express their personality and keep the conversation from feeling too serious too quickly. As the date progresses, you might want to dive a little deeper with getting to know you questions that reveal more about their interests and values. For example, you could ask, "What's something you're really passionate about?" Or, "What's your perfect weekend like?" These questions not only show that you're genuinely interested in your date, but also help you find common ground and build a stronger connection. People love talking about what excites them, and by listening attentively, you can keep the conversation flowing effortlessly. However, there are a few topics you should avoid on a first date, as they can make the conversation feel uncomfortable or too intense. Asking questions like, "How many exes do you have?" can bring up unnecessary emotional baggage, making the date feel more like an interrogation than an enjoyable experience. Similarly, discussing finances with questions like, "How much do you earn?" can come across as intrusive and inappropriate for a first meeting. Instead, focus on positive, engaging topics that allow both of you to enjoy the moment and get to know each other naturally. The best first dates are built on laughter, curiosity, and a genuine interest in each other. So relax, have fun, and let the conversation unfold. First dates can be both exciting and nerve-wracking, but knowing some basic etiquette can help things go smoothly. One of the most important things to remember is to be present and engaged. Put your phone away, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in your date by actively listening to what they're saying. Simple gestures like nodding, asking follow-up questions, and responding with enthusiasm can make your date feel valued and appreciated. Also, remember to be polite and considerate, whether it's holding the door open, saying thank you, or making sure your date feels comfortable. Small acts of kindness can leave a lasting impression. That's all for today. Now you're ready to approach, ask out, and navigate the early stages of dating with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KGB English Hub for more practical English tips. See you in the next video. Happy dating!